How to download Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut on PC. So if you want to download Ghost of Tsushima, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and you need to simply search for Ghost of Tsushima, which is a video game. Now you just need to simply scroll down and go with the Steam website. Click on Steam option and it will have the game right here and you can buy the game. But in some regions or in some countries, the game is not available on Steam. So in this case, what you can do is just simply go back and you will have the PlayStation section. So you just need to simply go with www.playstation.com where you will find the Ghost of Tsushima game. And from here you can buy. You can just simply go with add to cart and make sure that you have the balance on your purchase method. And you just need to simply sign into your PlayStation and you can buy the game and download or install it after buying or after purchasing. So from here you can install and download the game. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.